Hey there everyone, your programming friend from YouTube, Hitesh here. Now this is the very first video of our mock test. Usually our mock tests don't consist of videos, they are just consist of questions and basically targeted on them. But since this is just a light version, I wanted to give you a brief idea about this test series. Now this test series is basically totally focused on preparing on those questions which are usually asked in a variety of big companies. Now, one of the many reasons, yes, of course, there are many reasons. One of the many reasons for having these kinds of interviews and mock tests is to filter out audience. Obviously, there are so many people applying for companies. One of the way of filtering them out is these kinds of tests. So you will be finding them in all of the on-campus and off-campus interviews. So that's what I wanted to say. Of course, the rest of the instructions will be given to you, and just wanted to mention a quick fact. Yes, there is a timer clock set to give you additional pressure. And yes, during your real interviews in the company hiring process, you'll be seeing exact timer clock because they cannot wait for like endless time before you submit the question. So yes, in those test, interview and hiring process, these clocks are there. And we do have a leaderboard as well. So in case you want to top, in case you have topped into the exam or whatever your position is, based on that, we do have a leaderboard as well. And you can find yourself into the leaderboard. I wish you best of luck. And one more thing, your leaderboard is going to be defined on your very first attempt, but surely you can take more attempts in this quiz. Once you have prepared more and you want to reappear in the exam, surely you can do that. But leaderboard is going to be updated based on your very first attempt. I wish you best of luck, and this is the very first light version of our mock test. And don't forget to check out our other course and test series as well on your favorite platform, learncodeonline.in. Best of luck, move ahead into the course, and I would really look forward to see you into the leaderboard. That's it for this video, and take on into the quiz.